Our broker is running on 9092. We also have configured the producer. Now let's see how we're going to use our producer, which is kind of a microservice really, and send a message to our topic that we defined. So let's open up IntelliJ, and within project, open up the Kafka example application in here, and this really should be named maybe Kafka application. So let me just rename that to Kafka application. I think it sounds better. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to have a command line runner, and this command line runner will receive the Kafka template that we've just defined. This will be string and string, and I'm going to name it as template. And inside here I need to return args. So this is using dependency injection, by the way. So this right here will be this guy that we've just configured. If I go back, and here I'm going to end this with semicolon there, and now I can say Kafka template dot, and then have a look at the available methods. So we have send and pass a message, send with a producer record, with a string, which is a topic, and then the data, and we can also pass a key. So this will guarantee that the messages are delivered to the same partition if you are using partitioning. So for now, let's just say topic in here, and I want to send to the Amigos code topic, and the message will be hello, and then Kafka, and then basically end this with semicolon. Now this guy here, so Amigos code, if you forgot, so this is within Kafka topic config, is this guy right here. So this is the topic that we've just defined in here. And to be honest, this is it. So obviously I'm going to change this in a second so we can have a RESTful endpoint, and from there we can basically put it inside of the topic. But for now here, let's just say bean. And with this in place, this method here will run as soon as we start the application. So let's just restart the application, and hopefully things should just work. And have a look, we have this log line in here which says add and then producer one, and in here it says basically producer client producer one, and then the cluster ID. So at this point we have sent a message or a stream, and if I scroll up, I just want you to see that basically you can see that things are working. So Tomcat started on 8080 and we have no errors in here. So at this point, our application is working successfully. Next, let's go ahead and set up a consumer so that we can see this message being consumed.